Instead of a headless meteorologist, we just have Jennifer. Oh, no meteorologist.
The torso-less meteorologist.
Jen, that's really cute. It's actually a green sleeping bag if you're wondering what it is at home. Jen, yesterday I saw another meteorologist. It's actually WBRC, our sister station in Alabama. Yesterday morning, he made a cloud and wore green pants. So he was like on a cloud.
That's cool.
And we realized yesterday with Chelsea is that she had on a green dress.
Right.
And so we did our opening skit in front of the green screen. And I said, no, she's going to disappear.
Yeah.
And so luckily it was a darker green, but yeah, I can't wear green to work. I can't wear turquoise colors.
Nope.
They'll key out. So
the invisibility cloak exists.
It's on Halloween.
Yep.
Then it's okay. It's like Christmas. Can't get to that. Well, let's go ahead and talk about your forecast right now because it's feeling chilly out there. We saw that cold front really begin to push through beginning Monday, and a lot of that pushed through just yesterday. Clear skies left behind, plenty of sunshine out there, but some chilly temperatures to begin today. And part of that is being caused by the wind gusts out there. Right now, what we're starting to see is those wind gusts exceeding 20 miles per hour, some of them getting up closer towards 30 miles per hour. And so the temperatures out there currently resting in the lower 40s for our inland areas, upper 40s closer towards our coastal spots. Warming up just slightly as you head further south, but pay attention to some of those temperatures. Grove Hill 41, Mobile 47, Pensacola 49, but everywhere just dropped once you take that wind speed into account. Our inland spots, although you're resting in the lower 40s, you're feeling more like the mid 30s. Mobile, you're resting in the mid 40s, feeling closer towards 40 degrees, and then the same for Pensacola, feeling about 5 degrees cooler out there. That trend only going to continue heading into today since these wind gusts are still going to be sticking around. And we're only warming up really in the mid to upper 50s by the second half of today. By 8 o'clock, dipping down to the upper 40s, and then another freeze warning is in effect heading into the overnight hours. I'm going to talk more about that, your Thursday wake up weather, plus also what the weekend shaping up to look like. All that's coming up soon. Joe. Well, welcome back into Studio 10, taking a live look at conditions out there right now. Clear, sunny skies, and really take a look at those temperatures. We're resting in the upper 40s, but we're feeling like the lower 40s once you take those dew points and those winds into account. Now, the winds are only going to continue over the next couple of hours. We'll continue to see those wind gusts getting up to about that 25 to 30 mile per hour range for the remainder of this afternoon and this evening. And then once we make it into overnight, that's when that wind will begin to calm down. But do keep in mind the humidity, it's low, and so what we're starting to mix with that with our drought conditions and these breezy conditions, that's led to that red flag warning that's still in place for today. So make sure you're being cautious, not burning anything outdoors, just because all of those factors mixed together will make it easy for any of that fire to spread. So again, red flag warning in place for today. And as we make our way into the rest of this afternoon, temperatures going to continue to not really max out much. We're going to be seeing the mid to upper 50s, still staying cool and chilly out there, very low for seasonal temperatures. And as you get closer towards our coastal areas, expecting us to be maxing out in the lower 60s, but still feeling nice, staying sunny, and most importantly, staying dry heading into today for any of those outdoor plans, even though we need the rain. Now, in case you are making any evening plans, the Greater Gulf State Fair is still in town, heading closer towards the weekend. These temperatures are going to be reflective really of 7 p.m. for the next few nights. So heading into tonight and tomorrow, we're going to be resting in the lower 50s, seeing those clear skies, and then heading closer towards Friday, temperature is going to be resting in the lower 60s. So we'll slowly begin to warm up heading closer towards the weekend. But if you're a fan of some cooler fair weather, then the next few days, that's going to be what you want. Now, heading into tomorrow morning, here's a look at the feels like temperatures. We've been talking about the freeze warnings that are in effect heading into tomorrow, but once you take those into account of our temperatures dipping down to the lower 30s, mixed with that wind still possible heading into tomorrow, we're going to be feeling a lot colder. So stepping out the door for your Thursday, feels like temperatures mid to upper 20s for our inland areas. As you head closer towards the coastal spots, seeing more of those lower to mid 30s. So make sure you continue to bundle up. Make sure your kids are prepared heading into tomorrow morning. It's chilly out there and it's only going to continue to feel cold just for the next few days. But don't worry, by the weekend, we start to get closer to average for this time of year. Coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about that, what you can expect heading into the weekend and my full 10-day outlook. All of that's coming up soon. Chelsea.